joints, gets them warmed up for the adjustment. Hi guys, this is Dr. Matt Leahy down at Advanced Health Chiropractic in South Loop, Chicago. I'm here with one of our patients, Andrew. He's coming in for some low back pain, mid back pain. He's sitting all day for work, so when he's sitting with that poor posture, he gets really achy in that low back. So today we're going to evaluate his spine and do an adjustment on him. An ortho sim here induces a little motion into the joints, gets them warmed up for the adjustment. Palpating his mid back for any fixations. Alright, deep breath in and out. And another one in and out. Now just feeling the motion of his pelvis. It's a little locked up on this right side, so get that adjusted. Go ahead and face me. Alright, deep breath in and out. Good, switch sides. Just motioning out his lumbar spine. Start here, so we get that adjusted. Deep breath in and out. Good job. Alright, very well. Come on. Alright guys, if you like that video, like and subscribe to the page and schedule a new patient appointment. We'll see you on the next one.